If you want to set custom ringtones on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just go to the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and select Accept. Select Not Now, then tap on the X icon over here. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of ringtones. Just tap on it, and from here just select any custom ringtone which you like. And also in the search bar, you can search any music which you want to set as your ringtone. For an example, I will select this ringtone. Now to set this music as our ringtone, just tap on it, then tap on the download icon over here, and select Set as Ringtone. Now just enable this toggle, then go back, then tap on the X icon, and as you can see, we have successfully set the selected ringtone as the default ringtone of our smartphone. And if we go to the home screen and go to the Settings app, from here, just tap on Sounds and Vibration. As you can see, we have successfully set the selected music as the ringtone of our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set custom ringtone on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.